Still on the same bet, elite amateurs Michael Karanga and John Lejirma, alongside seasoned professionals CJ Wangai, Samuel Njoroge and Justus Madoya, received a shot in the arm in their preparation for the magical Kenya Open. The golfers received 3.2 million shillings from gaming firm Betika to help them in the tournament. This elite cohort is set to represent the country at the prestigious 2026 Magical Kenya Open, a standout fixture of the DP World Tour, which returns to the lush fairways of the current country club from February 19th to February 22nd, 2026. The 3.2 million fund is designed to cover tournament preparations, endorsement fees, and logistics.
With the pros, I think in our KSh3 that we are used to, we compete against 3 of us, Regilma, myself, and other 2. But now here there is a lot of competition, competing with, you don't know even who you are competing with because everybody is good. So you are playing against the cause, not playing against anyone.
Let's talk